Hello and welcome everyone. Today's recipe is a main dish in Arabian cuisine. Mainly in Arabian vegetable dishes we make a sauce called tasbika. Then we add the vegetable, then broth and let it cook. Then we serve this recipe with rice and any kind of protein like meat or chicken or anything. And today we will show you how we can do this to make ordinary zucchini. First of all, we are gonna start with the ingredients. 1 kilogram of zucchini cut into slices, 1 teaspoon of butter and oil, 1 small onion chopped into small pieces, salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 2 cups of broth, chicken or meat, and half teaspoon of sugar. Now we will start by frying some onion in the butter and oil till we get the aroma. Then we will add the tomato sauce, stir to get the tasbika we said before. And then we will add the zucchini and stir them fast so the sauce gets mixed with them well. And by this way the zucchini will not lose its water while cooking. After that, add the broth, sugar and salt. Then stir a little and cover the lid for 30 minutes, or the zucchini becomes soft, and in the meantime it has a generous amount of sauce. If you need more water you can add. Now you can serve a delicious zucchini dish with rice and meat and chicken.